all the brands that we make or are sold, which would be Next Grill, all of their products, Weber, all of their products, and the other Home Depot brand, Trigger, and all of their products. If you ever wanted to get an assembly manual, you can go online or you can come to the retail store and access their QR codes. And every grill will have a access of QR codes. That way, if you ever lose your manual, or if you want to have an instructional manual, if you have manual dexterity to put your own grills together and you just didn't have the manual in the grill, you can always go to a QR code at the location in which they sell them at if you can't find it online. And all your QR codes for all the name brands and all the designs and the series will be at your fingertips. So once again, Next Grill, Weber, and Traeger. Thought it was Trigger, but it has a silent A in there. Master Build. For your pellets. What name brand is this? And this must be a new offered name for the Smart Temp. Those will be available eventually of getting the QR code.